Greetings everyone, this is Elijah from Financial Anatomy, and this is the place where you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. We talk about apps that involve money and personal finance on this channel, and we're going to be covering exactly how to activate your Revolut debit card, assuming you've already ordered it. Now, if you don't know how to order it, you want to check out the sign up process video that I've already made on the Revolut app. Assuming you've moved past that process, they should have sent you your card in the mail. So obviously you want to start off by opening the envelope up, and it will contain some relatively straightforward instructions as well as the card itself. Now we're going to go ahead and move over to the app so you can visually see what you need to do to activate it. So you want to open up the Revolut app, and there'll be a card icon in the top right hand corner. Click on it and it'll say standard activate card. That's the card you just received in the mail. So you want to click on it. Then you'll see where it says received your card. Tap this button to activate it. Click on activate now, and it will ask you to enter your card number information. So you want to go ahead and do that. And once you've done that, you want to click on activate card. And from there, your card has been activated and can be used for transactions. That does it for this video. If you can give this video a thumbs up, it really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, and that'd be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And if you haven't signed up for the Revolut app, but you have an interest in doing so, you can do so by using the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Catch y'all later. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.